Hello, everybody, and welcome to Story Time with Miss Emisa. Today, we are going to be reading the story Monkey Puzzle by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. Monkey Puzzle. I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. No, 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 that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusk or curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, 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 that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. No, 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 that's a spider. Mom isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in treetops way up high. She lives in trees? You should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. No, 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 that's a parrot. Mom's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. And anyway, my mom leaps and springs. Aha! I've got it. She leaps about. She's just around the corner without a doubt. No, 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 that's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and fairy and nice to cuddle. No, 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 that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you, she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly small. Your mom's not little. Now, let me think. She's down the river having a drink. No, no, no. That's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see. None of my babies look like me. So she looks like you? Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time to take you home to Mom. And that's the end of the story, The Monkey Puzzle. Hope you enjoyed this story. See you next time. Bye-bye.